I'm studying second standard A section. My school name is Kendra Vidyalaya Minambakkam. I'm going to long and round object. This is a book, long object. This is a glue, long object. This is a scale, long object. This is a marker, long object. This is a bangle, round object. This is a pencil box, long object. This is a sheet, long object. This is a pen, long object. This is a ball, round object. This is a cap, round object. This is a bowl, round object. This is a water bottle, long object. This is a big long object. This is a snacks box, round object. Thank you. I am going sliding object, rolling object. This is a water bottle, rolling object. This is a snacks box, sliding object. This is a pencil box, sliding object. This is a marker, rolling object. This is a sheet, rolling object. This is a scale, sliding object. This is a glue, rolling object. This is a bangle, rolling object. This is a book, sliding object. This is a big rolling object. This is a pen, sliding object. This is a cap, rolling object. This is a bowl, rolling object. This is a ball, rolling object. Thank you.